Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin came down to 40,269, about $23 off my buy order yesterday, and had a massive bounce. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technical, and the market having a very strong bounce back. Pocket up massive since I started buying it. Congratulations, anyone that bought POKT. It's up huge. Let me set the percentage. Intel was up 3% yesterday. Pocket almost 30 cents. We were buying it at 18 cents. So almost 100% move on Pocket since I started buying it. Congratulations, anyone who followed those buys with me. I entered at 18 cents. So 18 cents. Where is that? So I think it's close to 100%. 18 cents would have been here. 65%, but the peak was 76%, which is beautiful. Meta was up 2%, Google was up 2%, my tech stocks, Intel. And if you bought with me at the beginning of the year, congratulations to you. Bitcoin 41,580. This was a tweet that I made at the beginning of the year. End of 2022, 1st of the 12th, 2022. I've been buying at the lows of Bitcoin, MCRT, Cake, Uni, Google, Meta, TSM, Tesla. And yesterday, the S&P, congratulations, almost 1 year later, a bit more than 1.5 years later, S&P 500 hitting new all-time highs, which is huge gains. Let's go back in Bitcoin. Bitcoin bouncing off my trade target yesterday. My trade was set, look how close it came. My trade was set at 40,234, and Bitcoin came down to 40,269. So I missed that trade by about $35 off that bounce, unfortunately. And that bounce then bounced to 42,000. So it was a $2,000 bounce on Bitcoin. Where I would go long on Bitcoin, that bounce was not as I expected it should be. It should have been a stronger bounce. On the daily, stochastic oversold, weekly stochastic overbought, but daily very oversold here. So this is the time. The stochastic on the daily is usually when I buy. So when it's below the dotted lines down here, that means it's oversold. It's too oversold. That's time to be buying. When it's above the dotted lines over here, that means it's too overbought. Up here, time to be selling. And right now, the stochastic on the daily is extremely oversold. I need to get a double bottom bounce on the stochastic on the bottom, and then that will be an indicator that we're good to go. But I would be going long. I'll take the same long on Bitcoin, bouncing off this major area of support. 2 times we've had huge weeks. No, now this will be 1, almost 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times that Bitcoin has been bouncing from that area. Still in a bull flag, still on the second to third impulse wave. So I'd still be going long. I'll take the same long, opening at 40,234, that major area of support which we bounced off yesterday. Stop loss 40,075, take profit 60K, risk to reward 126, risking $159 to make $20,000 without leverage, 10x leverage, $200,000 profits, 100x leverage, $2 million profits. Again, trade opening 40,234. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. Let's go closer, 4 hourly, heading up, getting a big bounce off there, volume coming in, but not much. Hourly, strong bounce off that trend line. Look at that, so close to my order. So close to my order activation. And strong bull flag forming here. So short term can also take, if you want to take this is for a riskier trade. If you want to take a short term trade off this area of support here, tight stop loss. This is for a riskier short term trade. And target this resistance here. That's a trade I'll take on Bitcoin as well. 41,159. Stop loss 41,116. Take profit 43,771. Risk reward 60 times, risking $43 to make $2,612 with no leverage, 10x leverage, $26,000, 100x leverage, $260,000. Those are the 2 trades I'll take on Bitcoin, and I'll share those inside the Telegram. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video, down below in the description and the pinned comment underneath the video again down below. 1 is the exchanges that I use. Bybit gives you a $30,000 bonus. 2 is the courses. 3 is where you learn all this in detail. You learn how to use technical analysis, do the charts, set up the charts, set up the indicators. 3, join us in Telegram. There's 9,000 of you trading together. Yesterday, top 5 Bitcoin spot total inflows of yesterday. BlackRock has 1.23 billion of inflows. Spot 5-day total inflows. Fidelity 1 billion. Bitwise 300 million. Most of this selling pressure has been coming from where is it? Tether also bought 8,888 Bitcoin, 2.8 billion Bitcoin. MCRT, top blockchain games with growing addresses. Sandbox first, MCRT second, Mana Decentralized third, Gala fifth, Illuvium sixth. So MCRT is climbing the ranks of the games. Congratulations, everyone. Over on Bybit, my Bitcoin trade is currently $58,000 in profits, 396%, still 0.101% funding fee, which is still costing me around $200 a day to keep this trade open, but much less than the $1,000 a day it used to keep. $58,000 profits on this Bitcoin trade, 7 Bitcoin. In this account, $505,000 US, bouncing back. This account was $150,000. The peak was $590,000 on the ETF announcement, $150,000 a few months ago. In this account, I've got 2 Bitcoin, 2.7 Bitcoin, FXS 60K up 2%, Uniswap 58K up 2%, Doge 51K 1%, Doge getting hit pretty hard on that drop before. MCRT 47K, Pocket 33K up 21% on Pocket. Congratulations everyone. Uniswap 26K. Those are the tokens I'm holding. And again, congratulations on anyone who bought Pocket, Tesla at the beginning of beginning of 2023. I bought Tesla, Bitcoin, Google, TSM, Meta. Those paid off massively. Congratulations to you. What I'm holding right now is Bitcoin, Ethereum, MCRT, FXS, BNB, Uniswap, Pocket, Cubic, Sui. Those are what my crypto stocks. I'm holding Tesla, Google, Meta, TSM, and Intel, and I will buy more Tesla as well. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Congratulations, everyone, for what a massive 2023, and let's keep it up for 2024. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.